What up, though? What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Let me know where y'all checking in from. I'm at a customer site right now getting my truck unloaded. So I figured I'd go live for a few minutes. It's probably gonna take them about 20 or 30 minutes to unload. I got 248 by 48 custom pallets that we built for a customer, and I'm dropping them off. It's the only thing I'm doing today. Oh man, the DM shouldn't be blocked off. Did you get a message or something? Davin, you can send me an email, bro. Send it to this. Send me an email. It shouldn't be blocked off, but I'm yes, ma'am.
How many are these?
I got 200 for you.
240?
Yeah,
okay.
It should be 200. It should be 10 stacks of 20.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Davin, send me an email, bro. The DM shouldn't be blocked off, but I don't know what's going on with that. But just shoot me an email, Pallet Pros Academy, and we'll get you straightened out, brother. Yeah, but anyway, look, man, I'm at a customer site right now. I got 248 by 48s that we got unloading right now, and so. Yeah, man, I figure it's probably gonna be about 30 minutes or whatever. So I figured I'd go live right quick on this hot Friday in Atlanta. So, you know what I'm saying, while y'all got me, you know what I'm saying, just ask any type of questions that you might have about the pallet business while you got me. But basically this week, I probably moved about 600 or 700 pallets, man. I stopped counting, to be honest with you. Hey, what's up? Yeah, I stopped counting. I moved about 600-700 pallets, something like that. I got this order of 200 I'm doing today. I moved 120 yesterday. Shit, earlier in the week I moved like 140. So yeah, you know, staying busy. I'm about to show y'all a quick little video, or not a video. This lady unloading these pallets off my truck. I'm gonna show you as she's going up this hill real quick. What's going on, everybody? What's up? What's up? Ask questions if you got any questions about the pallet business, how to get into this business. If you have a truck, if you don't have a truck, if you got a box truck, you can hop right in and start making money today. If you don't have a truck, you can rent a truck from Home Depot. You can rent a truck from Penske. You can rent a truck from Enterprise. You can rent a trailer from U-Haul. You can do all of that type of stuff to get you in the game, you know what I'm saying, quick. Do we make the pallets? Yes, we do make custom pallets. So basically what we'll do is we'll pick up pallets from customers' locations, and we will refurbish those pallets. So some pallets can be refurbished with like a quick nail or something like that, but some of them are, you know, so bad to where we just kind of strip them down for the raw wood, and then we make custom pallets out of those. That's a good question. As you can see here, look, there we go. See, she going up. So hope y'all can see that. But yeah, but that's what I'm doing today, man. I'm gonna make like $1,400 in like 4 hours. So, you know, that's some great money. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you know, this is a quick little leisurely Friday. I started around 9 o'clock this morning, and I'll be done at 3. And a lot of my work today was just driving, honestly. So I had to go from one side of town to the other, pick up the pallets and then deliver them somewhere else. I'm in Atlanta, so you know, I'm over here in by South Lake Mall. I work with the pallets all the time. I'm curious to know how much do they cost by the load, and I'm a carpenter. I'm not understanding your question, but cost by the load. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, so it really just depends, man. That's a really good question. It really just depends on what type of pallets that you're getting. So if you were to be buying like a 4840 pallet, depending on where you're getting it from, it could go from anywhere from like $5 to $10 on up. I sell the 4840 pallets for about $10. Anywhere between, I sell mine for like between $7 and $10, depending on the customer I'm dealing with. But then obviously custom pallets, you know what I'm saying, go up from there because they customs. So it's a little bit different. But yeah, Snipe. How do I find the clientele for distribution? So when I first started, I went out and I knocked on doors. So I went to like industrial areas near my house, and if I saw pallets outside, I would write the business name down and then compile like a little list, and then I would come back later on and ask those people, those businesses, about their pallets, like what's going on with their pallets. So I'd ride through in like an industrial area, and if I saw like pallets and stuff stacked outside the business, then I would physically go inside to their business and ask like a warehouse manager. Here's another shot of this lady getting these pallets. Put them on up. Hope you see that. Hey, let them. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, you just got to go through those warehouses and look. You know what I'm saying? I work in the Eastern Market District a lot. Are you familiar with the area? Nah, I'm not familiar with Detroit. I'm in Atlanta. But this business model can work anywhere. You don't have to, you know what I'm saying, be in Atlanta. If you are around industrial area, if you are near a spot that, you know what I'm saying, you see a lot of 18-wheelers and stuff going in and out of, then there's business there for you. So this business can work anywhere in the world. And now that I'm talking to you, what's going to happen is you're going to actually start seeing guys with pallets on the back of their trucks, you know what I'm saying, so on and so forth. You know what I'm saying? You're going to start seeing it now because we're talking about it. So if you know what I'm saying, go through like an industrial area, you're going to see pallets in the back. You're going to see stuff stacked up. You're going to start seeing dudes with pallets on their truck. You know what I'm saying? Whereas before, you probably wasn't paying attention to it. But now that we're having this conversation, you're going to start seeing it. And you're going to be like, damn, this dude BG with Pallet Pros is talking about pallets all over the place. Now I'm starting to see them. You know what I'm saying? So I'm planting that seed in your mind. But this can definitely work in Detroit. So I would definitely tell you, bro, get busy. You know what I'm saying? If you're interested and you're liking what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, don't take my word for it. Go out there and go see it for yourself. You know what I'm saying? And see what you can see, for sure. And then once you do that, you know what I'm saying, then you can come holler at me. And then we can see, you know what I'm saying, where we can go from there. Hey, what's up, everybody? What's going on? For the people that's just coming in, you know what I'm saying, right now, I'm at a customer site dropping off some pallets. It's probably going to take them about another 20 minutes or so to unload, so I figured I'd go live real quick. So ask any type of questions that y'all got about the pallet business, how to get into the business, what to do if you have a truck, if you don't have a truck. You could do this with a box truck. A flatbed is ideal because you know, forklift can come out and kind of access it from all sides. But you could do this with a box truck as well too, or even a trailer. What else? But just ask questions, you know what I'm saying, while y'all got me. I'm an open book. On average, I probably work about 5 hours a day. When I very first started this, you know what I'm saying, I was putting a lot of time in, but that's just with any type of business. You know what I'm saying? Building up my clientele, man. I was pulling some crazy stunts. You know know what I'm saying? You got to be kind of fearless when you're doing any type of business. But I was pulling any type of stunts I could do, man, to get in and talk to the people I needed to talk to. You know what I'm saying? But as I built my business up, I haven't had to dedicate as much time. So, you know what I'm saying? It went from like 12 hours a day to 8 hours a day. Now I do probably about 5 hours a day. Yeah, do that. Yeah, go ahead and do that, man. Yep, I would say definitely do that. Ask the people just ask them what's going on with their pallet situation. That's all you got to do. When you see the businesses and you see the pallets, talk to a warehouse manager, talk to somebody in charge, and just say, hey, my name is such and such. I'm starting a pallet business in the area. Can you just explain to me your pallet situation? And they're going to fall into two different categories. They're either going to be a person that supplies you pallets, meaning that you can pick up pallets from that spot, or they're going to be buying pallets, or a combination of both. On the 48 squares, we put 8 on top and 4 or 5 on the bottom. We make them based off the customer's specifications. So however the customer wants us to build those pallets out for the custom pallets, then we build them exactly to the specification that they want. But if it's just a general pallet, you know what I'm saying, that if a customer doesn't have any type of specifics, then yeah, we'll do 8 boards on the top and like 4 or 5 on the bottom. Yeah, man, the great thing about this pallet business is pallets are literally everywhere. It's a commodity. You know what I'm saying? So it is, the people need them to move their inventory. I like to look at it like this, right? If you was from the streets and you was a hustler and you hustled, you know what I'm saying, and you hustle, you know that there's already a clientele there for your particular product. All you got to do is have a good price and good customer service. So pallets are like the street game. Do I distribute pallets to docks? I don't really have docks here in Atlanta. Are you talking about like loading docks, or are you talking about like docks where like the rivers and stuff is at? But yeah, the docks is probably great, you know what I'm saying? Because think about it, if they're moving inventory and moving stuff, you know what I'm saying, they're gonna need pallets. Anywhere you see forklifts at, yeah, okay, where the river's at, hell yeah, shit, that like this stuff is coming right off the boats and stuff like that, hell yeah. Anywhere you see forklifts at, they gonna have pallets. So definitely, you can find a foreman on the dock, somebody there, you know what I'm saying, will have an answer for you. Absolutely. Definitely look at the docks. But pallets are all over the place. If somebody is shipping and receiving, they got pallets to either buy or get rid of. And I also want y'all to know that within this business, the pallets are great, but you can make money with other stuff too. You can make money with crates. You can make money with drums, like 55-gallon steel drums, 55-gallon cardboard drums. Matter of fact, if you in Detroit, it's gonna get cold in a little bit, so people is gonna be looking for the 55-gallon steel drums to burn stuff in. So that's the way you can make money. We do Gaylord boxes. Man, basically whatever you can take from somebody else's warehouse that's still in a good condition, you can resell that to somebody else in another warehouse. That's basically what this is. We're taking one man's trash and turning it into another man's treasure. But you're getting paid for basically distributing, you know, bringing that stuff from one spot, you know what I'm saying, to the other. Pallets are always in use, brother. Absolutely. Yep. So you got pallets, you got Gaylord boxes, you got 55-gallon drums, you got IBC totes, like them same totes that dudes be using the power wash and power spray and all that stuff that you see. You know what I'm saying? You can sell them too. Put them all. If you go on Facebook right now, you type in pallets, you're gonna see people trying to sell pallets all day on Facebook. I sell pallets on Facebook. I sell pallets on Craigslist. I sell pallets on OfferUp. I have a website that people can find me on. You know what I'm saying? I got social media that people can find me on. You feel me? But it's a commodity. It's already there. You know what I'm saying? All you got to do is just sell it. It's crazy because I just thought about something. It's like bottled water, man. Water is like the most abundant resource on this planet. But yet we go to the store and we buy bottled water. You know what I'm saying? Everybody needs water to survive. You can go to a lake or a river right now and drink water out the river. The summary, I'm just going to say 6 figures, bro. 6 figures. 6 figures. I have one client. Check this out. I got one client that spends $1,500 a week with me. That's $6,000 a month that they spend with me. 6 times 12 is $72,000. This one client spends $1,500 a week with me. 15 times 4 is 6,000. 6 times 12 is $72,000. With one client that spends $1,500 a week from me, that's $72,000 a year just from one client. One client. That's the gross income. And I have clients like that weekly. And I'm just one man. My truck can hold about 240 pallets, give or take. So I'm just one man. So if I'm doing $72,000 with one client, and I have multiple clients that buy pallets from me weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly, then you do the math. But it's in the 6 figures. Absolutely. And I don't come from a blue collar background either. I was in IT for 10 years doing customer service. So, I don't come from like a truck driver background or anything like that. I just decided to hop into this game during COVID when everybody was sitting down. But I hustle my ass off and I grind. Matter of fact, I'm in my truck right now. I ain't got no AC in my truck. I'm sweating, it's hot. You know what I'm saying? But shoot, the amount of money I'm finna make today, it's gonna be worth it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go home and, you know what I mean, take a shower, throw some deodorant on, put some cologne on, I'll be straight. You know what I'm saying? I'm not hiring right now. Hit me in the DM, brother. We can see what we can do for you, okay? But look, she's about to be done. I got one more load after this, so I'm going to go ahead and handle my business with her and finish up for the day, all right? I'm glad that y'all were able to hop on. For the folks that hopped on and got this message, I hope that you received it. If you guys want to learn more about the pallet business, if you want to learn more about Pallet Pros Academy, shoot me a DM, and you know what I'm saying, we can see if you're a great fit for the course. All right, y'all be good, enjoy y'all weekend. I'm out. Peace.